dear friend. So, I'd like for you to join me. If you can all unmute your mics, let's all say together, my star will shine brighter this June. Let's say it together, my dear friends. My
The
star
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 will
will
shine
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 brighter
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 this
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 June.
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 Woohoo! Yes. So again, I am Patrick Berba, your pinakapoging academy trainer, and today I'll be sharing with you something very special. But before I show you that, I'd like to ask all of you, what is common between architects and financial advisors? What do you think?
They make plans.
They make plans? What else? Why do they make plans?
For a better future.
'Di ba? So thank you for that, Sir Richard, no? They make plans to build better futures. And since they build, no, if architects can create buildings, financial advisors can build lives. Now, usually ano yung ginagamit ng mga architects para ma-communicate yung mga visions nila? Does anyone have an idea? How do they
Blueprints?
come again?
Blueprints?
Blueprints. Yes, exactly, blueprints. So if architects have blueprints, what if I told you for financial advisors, we have our own version of a blueprint. And that's what I'm going to show you today. Would you like to see that?
So,
Yes.
Course.
Yes. So before I let me share my screen. So this is something that I've been working on to reach a lot of people virtually to share this beautiful blueprint for financial advisors. So let me know if can everyone see my screen here?
um,
Hold on. Ayan. So can I confirm with everyone? Can you see my screen now?
Yes.
Yes. All right. Thank you for that, Miss Carla. Now, if you remember Ben Feldman, he's one of the greats, no, in insurance, and he always says that we as advisors, we don't sell life insurance. We sell or we show rather what life insurance can do, and that's what we can show through our blueprint. So, for example, we have our friend Mike. Let's say our client's name today. His name is Mike. And after talking to him, you found out that he wants or needs guaranteed returns. So, Mike, we have just the program for you. It's called AAA A Plus Signature. So, how do we start with this blueprint? So, Mike, this is where you are right now. So, right now, I know you're 30, and if we go with this, you'll be covered until age 100. And that's called your protection period. At sabi mo, Mike, sabi mo, you're okay with saving with us for until you are age 50. So that based on that, that will be your premium paying period. So Mike, with AAA plus signature, sabihin natin, kung malakas at matibay ka at nakarating ka sa age 100, it has something for you kasi you will get 2 million plus dividends. And in case you decide to go to heaven, your family will be the one enjoying the 2 million plus dividends. Pero Mike, I'm sure that's not that's not our choice, right? Of course, we would choose to live. And syempre, as long as we are alive, we want to enjoy our life to its fullest. And how do we do that? Well, let me show you. Because with AIA, with A plus signature, when you're already 37, every other year, meron kang 100,000. And this will start on the 7th year. And the best thing of all, Mike, this 100,000 is guaranteed. Ayos ba so far, Mike? So, you can get this 100K every other year now, starting only at. So, when using this timeline, my dear friends, always prepare quick quotes. And preparing for this, for our time together today, I have prepared some quick quotes myself. So, Mike can get this right now for only 124,410 per year. Or para mabigat ito, Mike, no? But I'll show you just how easy it is for you. Can everyone here divide 124,410 divided by 365? Ano yung lalabas? Yes. So that means, Mike, you only have to save 341 every day. And what is 341 pesos every day? That's just like eating McDo with your loved one. And if you're able to save this every day, isipin mo, in a few years, not only will you be able to buy McDo with your loved one, but also you'll now be able to buy McDo for all of your future children and even your grandkids, even if they haven't met you yet. How does that sound, Mike? So that's the timeline or the blueprint for A plus signature. Ayos ba, my dear friends? All all right. So this is a way to present to it in a as concise way, and also be we're able to take them through all of the thing what's in it for them, no, especially for the cash payouts. And then after this, if they're interested in knowing more, you know, in the total cash payouts or the total dividends that they can receive, we can now take them to the proposal with all of the projections. Now, aside from A plus, I'd like to show you another solution that I'm sure you're very familiar with, but now we can also show it in a few minutes. So let me change my page. So let's go back to our dear friend Mike. Let's say tumuloy siya sa A plus signature mo. Now, when you talk to him again, you found out that his new want or need is wealth creation. How can we do that? Well, Mike, we have just the solution for you. It's called AIA Max Protect. So again, Mike, this is where you are right now. This is where you are right now. And if you go with Max Protect, you are again protected until age 100. And that's your protection period. Now, you also said that you're also okay with saving for aside of this, you'd want to save also until you are 65. That is your premium paying period. Now, Mike, kung malakas at matibay ka at nakarating ka sa age 100, meron kang 1 million plus dividends. Now, in case you decide to go to heaven, your family will be the one enjoying the 2 million plus dividends. But of course, we we don't want to decide to go to heaven, right? But what's more likely is that we might get sick while we are alive. Now, to help you with that, since I don't want you to be pulling away from your savings and investment, syempre we'll add up something for you. May plus po. So with that, right now, again, you are from 30 and until you are 75. If you are diagnosed with any of the top illnesses in the Philippines, cancer, heart attack, and stroke, you will have 500K to use. Do you think we'll stop here, Mike? Syempre, hindi. There's more. Because meron pa. So, again, Mike, aside from this, this is only for getting diagnosed, no? But what if in the syempre ayaw natin mangyari, pero in case it happens, what happens if we are confined? Syempre, gastos pa rin yun. Well, not to worry because for every day you're hospitalized, you can receive 1K. So for example, if you're confined for 60 days, you'll be receiving 60,000 pesos. Now, Mike, do you think we'll stop here? Hindi. Because meron pa. Because aside from all of this, until you are 65, you have an HMO to use. And with that HMO, you'll have 500K to use every year for hospital expenses. So, Mike, right now, you have 500K plus 60K plus another 500K. That's 1 million and 60,000 pesos plus 1 million in the best or worst case scenario. So in total, you'll have 2 million and 60,000 pesos. And you can get that for only. So I prepared some quick quotes, my friends. So for only 28,691 pesos a year. So can we all divide 28,691 divided by 365? That's around or 79 pesos a day. Isipin mo yon, for less than a pickup coffee or even not even two Henlin 4-piece siomai, meron ka ng 2,060,000 pesos to use and also to leave behind for your family. Ayos ba, Mike? So is there any reason why we shouldn't go ahead with this today? So there, my friend. So if that is the timeline presentation for both the A Plus signature and also the AIA Max Protect with riders attached. So so far, I'd like to know how do you see this so far? No, how do you find this so far? So I hope down the line, no, this can be helpful for you because it allows us to make sure that everything is presented in a very easy to understand way. Now, with that, thank you. Very short and direct to the point. Yes, actually, before I leave you, no, I'd like to share some great stories that advisors have experienced after using this timeline. So if you remember, if you know, see Miss Grace Quinto from Supernova, when she used that A plus signature, she was one time she was the agent of the day. Tapos her client actually was in a rush, so all she was she was also forced to present A plus in a short amount of time, and she couldn't set up all her laptop and all of that. But she was able to use the A plus signature timeline to at least have the client get an idea of what it can provide for them. So yeah, with that, my dear friends, let me leave you with a quote from Ben Feldman. Again, was one of my favorites also. So to paraphrase, there are two possible events that can happen in a person's life. If they live, they will need money to continue living. And if they go to heaven, it's not them who needs the money, but rather it's their family who needs that money to continue living. And with that, my friends, I am again your pinaka-poging trainer from Academy, Patrick Verva, and I hope you enjoyed, and I hope that what I've shared with you today will help you get to the Q2 podium finishers or whatever goal is driving you here in your AIA journey. Thank you.